Understanding luxury waxing. What defines a luxury waxing experience? Differences between standard vs premium waxing services. Why high-end clients seek luxury treatments, creating a high-end ambience. Salon decor and atmosphere. Soft lighting, elegant design. The role of calming scents and relaxing music, offering premium comfort items. Heated beds, plush towels. Choosing high-quality wax and supplies. Importance of hypoallergenic, skin-friendly wax. Soft vs hard wax, which is best for luxury services. Using top-tier pre-wax and post-wax products. Mastering the art of painless waxing. Proper waxing techniques for minimal discomfort. Prepping the skin for a smooth experience. Using stretch and pull methods for efficiency. Adding VIP pre-wax services. Personalized skin consultation before waxing, offering exfoliation treatments pre-wax. Hydration and skin prep for best results. Elevating post-wax care. Premium aftercare serums and soothing treatments. Exclusive cooling gels infused with aloe and chamomile. Offering massage or LED therapy post-wax. Personalized client experience. Remembering preferences. Wax type, sensitivity. Offering tailored skincare recommendations. Sending post-treatment follow-up messages. Premium pricing strategy. How to set luxury service prices confidently. Educating clients on the value, not just the cost. Bundling services for upscale experiences. Marketing your luxury waxing services. Crafting a luxury brand identity. Using social media to showcase high-end experiences. High-quality content before and after transformations. Attracting high-end clients. Where to market luxury waxing services. Partnering with high-end salons, hotels, and spas. Exclusive referral programs to bring in VIP clients. Upselling and cross-selling. Premium add-on. Selling skincare products post-wax. Offering spa-like treatments. Hydration masks, massages. Exclusive subscription services for maintenance. Training your staff for excellence. Importance of professional client interactions. Teaching pain-free waxing techniques. Upselling and consultation training. Handling client concerns professionally. Addressing pain and sensitivity concerns. Educating clients about post-wax reactions. Offering solutions for ingrown hairs and irritation. Building a strong online presence. High-end branding on social media. Creating engaging luxury waxing videos. Partnering with influencers in the beauty industry. Long-term success and expansion. Opening a luxury waxing franchise or multiple locations. Luxury waxing isn't just about technique. It's about creating a 5-star experience that keeps clients coming back. Remember, premium clients don't just pay for a service. They pay for how you make them feel. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what luxury touch you'd love in a waxing experience. Thanks, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.